In today's video, I will be talking about the top virtual reality use cases for employee training. Are you wondering what industries are using VR training today and what jobs can you learn more effectively putting on a VR headset, rather than sitting in a classroom or with e-learning? Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex Gonzalez and today I will show you the huge potential of VR in the workplace. I will tell you what the technology is already capable of today and where it is heading in the coming years. Sounds good to you? So these are the top 7 VR training use cases. Let's get started. Number 1. Safety VR training. Trainees can put on a VR headset and learn how to log and verify that an industrial machine is de-energized, like this person is doing here. In addition, you can learn what is the necessary protective equipment for the task, learn the risks involved in the procedure, and avoid an electrocution. For example, working at heights VR training, developed by Ludus, is also a remarkably interesting use case. You can learn how to use a lifeline in a ladder or horizontally. I can guarantee you the sensation of vertigo is the same one as if you were really there, on a rooftop with the wind on your face. Second use case, logistics VR training. The German logistics company DHL needed to train many thousands of its global workforce in how to load every shipment to maximize space. In this experience, developed by Immersed, you can learn how to stack boxes of various shapes and sizes, exactly as if you would in real life. Number 3. Operations VR training. US-based Delta Airlines uses a VR training for ramp operations that is developed by Foundry 45. Trainees put on the VR headset and appear in the arrival gate. Their task is to do a walk-around inspection of the airplane. The learners are guided with visual instructions and auditory cues through the experience. Delta employees can learn how to do an inspection before they ever go out on a ramp. Plus, they can do it in a safe environment without interrupting airport operations or causing slowdowns to other flights. Number 4. Maintenance VR training. Still talking about the aerospace industry, the second biggest airplane manufacturer in the world, Airbus, uses virtual reality in engine run-up courses. Developed according to in-service aircraft maintenance procedures and real operational scenarios, this solution reduces practice on full flight simulator, which saves money to the company, because an hour of training on the real cabin simulator is more expensive than an hour training in VR. Fifth use case, manufacturing VR training. VRMT is a container glass training app that allows operators to learn about the configuration of machine mechanisms, shear and glass properties, fault diagnostics, and bottle inspection. Thanks to this software, trainees practice without interrupting the glass container production, and very important, as in previous examples, they practice in a safe environment where they can't get burned. Still talking about dangerous jobs, let's move on to number 6. Emergencies VR training. As we have seen in this video, one of virtual reality's strengths is to simulate realistic scenarios that are dangerous for the workers. A great example of a dangerous job is firefighting. The Wobbling Virtual Fire Emergency Training Simulator is a more cost-efficient alternative to traditional fire emergency trainings. It is risk-free, more sustainable, and can be adapted to the user. For example, factory workers can train in a factory environment with the equipment and types of fires that can happen in a factory. A different type of emergency is, for example, finding an unconscious person lying on the floor and needing to do a cardiopulmonary resuscitation. With the CPR training developed by Ludus, you feel the pressure and stress of such a situation. You learn how to use a defibrillator correctly and how to do the compressions accurately. And we arrive to the last use case, number 7, healthcare VR training. UBSIM immerses the students around lifelike patients and maximizes their engagement while they develop critical reasoning, decision-making, and communication skills. Thanks to the highly emotional nature of VR, learners are physically present and emotionally invested with their patients. Another healthcare VR training is the one developed by Oxford Medical Simulation. They also build full immersive medical and nursing scenarios in virtual reality. Their mission is to allow clinicians to practice more, make fewer errors, and improve patient care. So those are, in my opinion, the top 7 use cases for practical skills. Did you like them? Did you come up with any other interesting ideas for VR trainings? Let us know in the comments below. Each of the trainings showcased in this video is developed by a different amazing VR company. You can find all the links to their websites in the description below. If you want more information or want to book a demo, feel free to get in touch directly with the VR company you're interested in. In my next video I will be talking about another type of enterprise training. In this case, instead of training for practical skills, I will be talking about soft skills training. For example, how to learn with VR key communication skills like empathy, de-escalation, or how to speak in public, as well as how to fire an employee or how to be a great leader. So make sure to subscribe to Alex Gonzalez VR if you don't want to miss my next content. In this video I showed you some mixed reality footage where you saw the real person interacting with the virtual environment. Did you like it? My team and me did those shoots in our filming studio using a green screen and a program called Live. If you are a VR developer and want to start promoting your VR app at a new level, we're happy to help you. We can shoot a highly engaging mixed reality trailer for your app, help you catch the attention of the public and increase sales. If you are interested in our services, please check out our website, alexgonzalez.tech, where you can find more information, prices and timing. Link in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Let's push the VR industry forward together. I'm really excited for all the opportunities VR is opening up. Take care. Adiós.